BullX Neo is quite literally back on that bull. We've fixed it 3 times before. We'll fix it again. This is the new current fix as of the 21st of January, 2025, 8 a.m. Pacific time for BullX Neo and NovaClick. So what you're going to do, if you currently cannot see NovaClick in BullX Neo, you're going to go ahead and remove your extensions. So you go up to your extensions area, right click, and remove extension for both Tampermonkey and BullX Neo. So before you reinstall Tampermonkey, open up a new tab in your address bar, type in ://extensions, hit enter. Please ensure that you have developer mode enabled. You can turn it off, turn it back on just to double check to make sure that you have it on, but developer mode needs to absolutely be on in order for this to work. You'll now go back, install Tampermonkey, add extension. Once installed, you'll see the icon. Click it, go ahead and click create new script. You're going to select all to clear the workspace. Then you'll go to this paste bin link. It'll also be in the description and pinned comments. You'll copy this in its entirety. Go back into your new user script window, paste in the user script, file, save, verify that that's showing as enabled. You're going to go back to BullX Neo in your NovaBot. Go ahead and hit start NovaClick, download the latest version of NovaClick. It'll prompt you to go to the App Store, add that in. Once you've added your extension, you'll see that it's back there disabled. We're going to go back to BullX Neo. We've got our script enabled on this page. Perfect. And now we're going to go ahead and enable this. And as you can see, we are back in business. NovaClick is working again on BullX Neo. So again, if you have done this fix before, as of yesterday, it broke again. And so you'll need to uninstall everything. Make sure that you have developer mode on in Chrome. Reinstall both Tampermonkey and NovaClick with the updated script. And that is the current fix that we're rolling with. The Nova support team has said that they're working on, updating the extension so that you don't have to do any workarounds. But as of now, this is the workaround that is working to have this re-enabled back in BullX Neo. Hopefully that helped you. If you have any questions or still running into issues, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'll try to help you as best as I can. Otherwise, happy trading, stay blessed.